Weasel pig. Yep, we're good. Through. This is in the locked position. See how that's locked. Now you're unlocked. And just give it a few good clicks. And then that thing, after each click, it falls down into the teeth. You take it, lift this up, and it's locked back into place. I loop it through here. Nice and neat, and through the end. Keeps it nice. We got everything the way it's supposed to be. Chains across, pin is through the top. Everything's plugged in. The lights are working. Straps are all closed how they're supposed to be. They're all tight. All the pins are in the trailer. And we're off. Last but not least, our trailer brakes are still set on the low setting. And with the weight of the trailer, I'm gonna set it to at least about 3.7, 3.56. A lot of people find loading a car onto a trailer by themselves fairly intimidating or difficult. Hopefully the video I put together goes to show you guys it's not that difficult. Anyone can do it. You can do it by yourself. It doesn't take a team of people, I promise you. If I can do it, you can do it. I'm live! Look at her! What's up?
There's a lot more rubber on this rear quarter than I remember last.
Yeah.
So you got the tank, the seal.
Showing off my fancy truck cap.
Wish your fish pose.
Yeah. I need someone that'll take me fishing. My princess.
Parking lot, the home of hot rods.
Yeah. Should I give him the grand tour or you give him the grand tour?
Right ahead. Wander around.
Show us what you have here.
Oh God. Customer's Pontiac Tempest. We did a top end kit on. It's a 326 Pontiac. 71 Le Mans with a 350.
My sister would love that.
This is the 455 we just finished a couple of weeks ago. This is the 65 C10 shop truck. Everybody loves.
The mascot. Shop mascot. Gotta get the mangles. Bam.
4-speed, of course, and a nice big hole in the floor so you can see where you're going. 95 Lincoln Continental Super Coupe.
Super coupe.
So it's the 4.6 liter dual overhead cam Texas block. Pretty cool, basically like a Mustang Cobra, but hiding in a Lincoln body. The old motor did bad things, made bad noises, really bad noises, and so now it gets a new motor.
Oh wow.
Brand new motor. So
Out with the old, in with the new.
Yep.
Sick.
And that's the, I think that was here last time you were here. That's the Lotus Esprit chassis.
Oh wait, can I go underneath there?
Yep.
Heck yeah.
So we're doing a full body off build on this car. The body is at Performance Auto Spa. It's got the, you've seen the McLaren P1, the black and purple paint flop? That's the paint that's on it. So this is the chassis that goes underneath that body. All of these pieces and parts are coming off, and we've got a vapor hone cabinet that we're going to blast everything with. so it all looks like it's brand new, and then put the whole thing back together again. Engine's gonna get rebuilt, all brand new suspension, coilovers, wheels, tires. This should be something that's gonna be at SEMA next year, provided we can get all of our parts.
If you guys want to see the body to this car, it is on my YouTube channel in one of my previous videos.
It is stunning.
It is.
Ford Ranger.
I love trucks.
This is what, 64?
Look how pretty this one is. I love white.
64 Buick Riviera.
This isn't really white.
Is
More
it?
like mold and
Oh, well,
grossness.
you can tell the potential that it has underneath all the grossness. Look at the chrome. Ooh. This thing would look really cool with some flames shooting out the back in slow-mo.
Yeah, it needs flamethrowers.
This was
She comes on the day the shop's full of hot rods and not normal stuff that we work on.
That's cool, though. That's good. Where's Katrina's? Where's her?
this is her 73 Charger. Obviously no motor in the front end, because her new motor is just recently finished at Bob McVeigh's.
It's purple.
So we just dynoed it last week. I gotta go pick it up actually tomorrow, and then it comes back and goes back in this thing.
73 Charger chick on Instagram, guys. She also likes purple.
Yes.
Her block is it's like a purple pink too. Hey, another Foxbody.
That's 2.3 turbo powered though, so not quite the same thing as yours.
Still Mustang gang.
And then another 68 Pontiac in the back. There's an Isuzu Impulse, if any of your people are really weird import people.
Import people?
So the Isuzu Impulse RS. Something probably nobody on your channel has ever seen or heard of. It's a 1.6 liter turbo, 4-cylinder, manual transmission, all-wheel drive. So think like Mitsubishi Eclipse GSX, but in a Suzu.
Suzu.
This is a bad decision we purchased because we found it on Craigslist. And like 5 people are like, this is so weird, you should totally buy it. Okay, we'll go buy it.
I love the front on this. That's kind of cool.
And then that's the car I learned how to drive stick in.
That one?
That is my 1964 122S V18. That is literally the car that I learned how to drive stick in.
It's got some cute
My license
little
plates are
phones.
still on it from 1995. Sat in a chicken coop for 20 years.
It's sitting in a pretty spot. You could take some really cute photos right here.
Right?
Cute. So yeah, when I say they literally work on everything, they work on everything. Now you,
Trucks,
diesel,
classic cars, American cars,
yeah,
you name it, we do it. Minibuses.
oh, minibuses.
Yeah.
I'd like to turn this thing into an overland build. Have
yeah.
a rack on top. I'd like to have drawers that slide out. That way I don't have to travel on a bus. I just drive my truck.
Well, and you're an outdoorsy woman, so like it would
Yeah.
make sense for you if
It
you're not
would
being a
make-
poser with all of that stuff on.
Yeah, go to Marion, fish at the pond. I remember everyone got a kick out
I
of
think
that.
I remember seeing that.
They're like, why is Molly over there fishing in the pond? Why isn't she racing? I'm like, I'm just waiting patiently. Lucore Automotive, 614-873-4470. Contact them for any of your automotive needs
Anything other than paint and body,
Yep.
basically we do it all.
in Ohio.
Yep. Bye.
This is the hour, the darkest place. Dante's Inferno, the devil's maze. It's a good world, good world gone bad. Where we stumble around, trying to find or be found. In a good world gone bad.
Cheers for cheers. Safe and sound.
Turn on the news, a sad story.
Here comes Bill.